Good morning. I'm Ian Fairley, a researcher at Swansea University, and we're looking at whether we can use drones to measure the currents at tidal stream energy sites. It's really important that tidal stream energy developers know what the current speeds are at the sites that they're interested in. However, the traditional ways of doing this can be very costly and also quite risky because it involves people going out in boats with equipment, measuring the currents from a boat, or deploying equipment on the seabed, which then sometimes the developers can't recover because of the challenging nature of the areas that they're interested in. So drones would be a really great solution because you can fire up the drone from the land, fly it over your area of interest and try and measure the current. If you look out at the sea here, you can see patterns on the water surface which move with the tidal currents. So the idea is that we will fly the drone up over the water surface, point the camera downwards at the water surface and record video which covers the movement of these features on the water surface. Then we can track the movement of the shapes on the water surface through the video frames, and because we know that speed equals distance divided by time, we can calculate the distance something's moved in a specific time frame as measured by the video to get an estimate of the current speed. There are a range of tools already developed to do this for rivers, but to date people haven't looked at how this could work for tidal stream sites. So this is what we're doing in the Selkie Project, is we're looking at the feasibility of using drones and trying to develop guidelines and methodologies to best use drones to measure tidal currents at tidal stream energy sites. This will be of real benefit to the tidal stream energy industry because it'll reduce their costs and reduce their health and safety considerations when it comes to assessing new sites. Now, drones won't completely override existing technology. Instead, drones are more likely to be used for people to have a first look at sites before deciding to spend the money on more detailed current assessment. And so what this means is that the use of drones could be particularly beneficial for community energy projects where they may not have the funds available for existing current technologies. Equally, in areas like remote island communities, there may not be suitable vessels available to do the standard current techniques. So again, someone could come along with the drone relatively easily, conduct an initial measurement of the tidal currents before developers decide whether to push further ahead with the project.